Hi guys, how are you all? How are you all guys?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Just give me 1 minute time. Something is not right. Give me a minute. Algebra 1. So we are good on that. Harshad, were you not well? Mom said you were not going to join, right?
No,
You're good?
I was gonna do something, but then,
Okay.
yeah.
But then you managed to join, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. When are you writing your CBE?
Me?
Ah.
What's CPE?
Oh, the acceleration test, are you writing at school?
I already wrote it, and I'm in Excel too.
That I know, ma. Okay, so what are you learning in school?
Pre-algebra,
Next year, what are you going to learn?
algebra.
Okay, let's go ahead. Jay, what are you discussing in school, Jay?
We're in like quadratic functions. I'm trying to like convert vertex form to like standard form.
Vertex form. So that's easy, right? Vertex form to standard form is easy, right?
Yeah,
Did they teach standard form to vertex form?
not yet.
Okay. So is that easy at school?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Oh, you said skip geometry. Okay. See, that's only good, Harshad, for you, honestly telling you. That is only good. It's never a good idea to. It's never a good idea to go ahead with CBing algebra 1. Okay. Now, any questions on the homework, guys? Did anybody have any questions on the homework? Any questions, Amma? Okay. We did not have homework class when we dispersed on vacation. 771 to 783. So we finished 783. Okay. Okay. So did you have any questions for me? Quadratics is what we dealt with. We started with quadratics that I know. I have asked you to do the assignment and bring things to class which might be tricky. Did you all understand the quadratic transformations? Did you all understand the quadratic transformations or did you need help for the homework? Hey, any questions, guys? You have to answer, right? Did you have any questions on the homework? Did you understand the translation, shift up, shift down stuff? Okay, let me ask you. Samanvi, did you have questions? Samanvi, did you have questions?
No.
Okay, let's go ahead. Um, how about this? Just let me know where we are because we left for the break and I don't remember. I have my notes, but I don't know where you guys are. So what is this transformation? Who can tell me? Harshad, do you know? Do you know Harshad? Or we didn't discuss that? We 785 to 801 I have given you. We did discuss that last week, meaning the last time we met. So, and the quadratic functions in standard form, vertex form. Oh, that's the only thing. Okay. Okay. Do you know what type of transformation is this? See, y equal to x square. What is the basic graph for this? Y equal to x square. How do you write the basic graph? Come on, guys. Try, guys.
Is it a reflection?
Okay. Okay, ma. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead with the first. I really want to revise because this forms the base for your algebra 2. So whether you understood from school or you're going to understand it from here, you have to be thorough with this. Y equal to x square. How will you draw the graph, guys? You will write x, y. Then you'll put some negative values, positive values, right? And then you go ahead. Y will be equal to x square, right? Plug this in. 9 minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Any questions there? Okay, now I'm going to plot this as points. Minus 3 comma 9, minus 2 comma 4, minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0. Like this it's going to go. So see the graph? Do you see this, guys? Now if I write y equal to minus x square, what will happen to the graph? I really want you all to do some tables. Put your own xy values. Draw the graph and show me quick. Y equal to minus x square. I really want you to understand the basic. This is the base for algebra 2.
It's upside down.
Can you show it to me once you draw the graph? I really want to see the points as well. So this is called a parent graph. Okay, this is called a parent graph. Y equal to x means it's a line graph. Line graph means it goes through this point, y equal to x. This is a line graph. Okay, this is a parabola. Now, Harshad, that's right. Now, y equal to minus x square graph, how will it look like, Ma Lakshmita? Do you know how it looks like?
Wait, what question?
Y equal to minus x square.
It would be flipped over the
Yeah.
x-axis, right?
So what is it called? You call the transformation as reflection on x axis. See why? Because there is a negation on your y value. X did not change. If x changed, then x got negated, then this is x negation. Here the negative sign is applied to the y value. So when will the y value change? Suppose there is a point 1 comma 1. If you reflect it on the x-axis, what happens to the point? It becomes 1 comma minus 1. If it is a reflection on the x-axis, your y-coordinate negates. If it's a reflection on the y-axis, what will happen to that point? Minus 1 comma 1. Y-axis means x-coordinate negates. X-axis reflection means y-coordinate negates. So here, your y-coordinate negated, you call this as a reflection on the x-axis. Any questions? Any questions? Now, how about this? Y will be equal to minus x the whole square. What is that? What is that, guys?
Reflection on y-axis.
Reflection on y-axis. Good job. So, if I reflect this on y-axis, what would happen to the graph? Who can tell me?
It would stay the same.
It would stay the same. There's no change. This will come here. This will come here. It will stay the same. So, now you got it. We discussed this as parent graph. We discussed this as reflection on x-axis. We discussed this as reflection on y-axis. How about this one? How about this one? You are going to draw the graph and tell me what is the name of this transformation. Please draw the graph. It's okay if it takes time. I really want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4 graphs now. Please do the graphs, guys. It is one time, but you'll remember so much. You will learn for yourself. Avyuk, you know, I was so afraid that your geometry CB is this month end. I was thinking your geometry CB is this month end. Okay, I didn't know that it was not near now. You see, it is in May only, you're saying, right?
Yeah, it's in
So
May.
you have a lot of time and we do have classes. You will be fine. You got it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, seriously, I was so afraid because I thought your exam was on 27th or 28th. That is
I'm
tomorrow,
still
the day.
reviewing.
What is it?
I'm still reviewing on them though.
Yeah. I do understand. We have classes. I'm going to teach more of probability. You'll be fine. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Harshad, can you say what is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the message? In message, what is this? What is this called? Now we said this is a reflection on x-axis. This is a reflection on y-axis, right? Like that, Harshit, each of you, please, for 1, 2, 3, 4, what do you say the transformation is? Is it reflection? Is it translation? Is it vertical compression? Compression stretch, I'll help you. Oh, my charge is draining off. Can I help? Who needs help? Please shout out for help. I'm here to help. Can I help? Oh yeah, you're all good. Lakshmita, that's good. Aha. Did you get it, guys? So many of you have done it, but translation 2 units, right? 3. Vikyat, the third one is not correct, Amma. Did you plot the graph? For the third one, I want you to plot the graph and then tell me. Okay, Jay, do you know why? Everything is correct, Jay, but do you know why?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Oh, nice. Okay. Vikyat, I want you to correct the 3 and 4. Vikyat, I'll wait whatever time you take. I'll wait. Yeah, this is the base for algebra 2. So we want to be solid with this. Yes, Harshad. Oh, I didn't call your name. That is right, Harshad. Whatever you have given is right. Yeah, can I move on? Okay, now I want to know. Vikyat, did you get it, Vikyat? See, when you plot this
Yeah.
graph, you should have gotten this graph like this. X square plus 2. Y is incremented by 2. Here, y is decremented by 2. So the graph goes down by 2. This will be minus 2, this will be 2. Now, for this one, y equal to x plus 2 means shifts left. So when you plot the graph for this one, meaning x and y points, y equal to x plus 2 the whole square, if you put it like this, for different points, if you put in, the graph will shift to the left by 2. As a result, this will be minus 2. The last one, the graph moves to the right. It's a little tricky. Minus. So this is of the format x minus h the whole square. H is positive means right. H is negative means left. You got it?
I thought I did that though.
See, here plus 2 means it moves to the left, Vikyat.
I said moves to the left, my answer.
Did I see it wrong? No, right? Go back, Vikyat.
Sorry, I must have mistyped them because that's what I
Translation
got.
2 units, right? You have written because of the plus, but it is not like that. Minus.
Sorry, I meant
know
to say
that.
left.
No problem at all, Vikyat. As long as you understand, I'm happy. Oh, computer today. My answer would take some time to enter. Okay. Nidhi, did you get it, ma? How many of you did not get this?
I got it, Miss Priya.
Okay. Dhruv, did you get it?
I just joined.
Joined. Okay. We'll keep moving. You can tell me. Now, how about this, guys? How about this? How about this? If you don't know, I want you to graph it. I want you to name the transformation. Name the transformations accordingly here. Let me put it as 5, 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, I'll get confused. 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's the last graph. How about this? I really want you to understand what is this and then do. So 4 graphs remaining. What you need to do is just draw a graph, put x and y points. For various x and y points, plot the graph. Okay, your usual graph, you should be able to plot it like this. Usual graph also you need to plot. Then only you'll know the difference. Y equal to x square. Then you should be able to plot y equal to 2x square, y equal to half x square, y equal to 2x the whole square, y equal to half x the whole square. Tell me what happens. Okay, first 2, let's see. I really need this to be very nicely ironed out for each of you. Go ahead. If you're unsure or if you need help, let me know, guys. Avyukt, why do you say that, Avyukt? Wow, Jay, good job. Okay, Harshat, I want to clarify this for you. Stretch means it will always be a number greater than 1. Compression means it will always be a number multiplication number will be less than 1. You got it? Am I making sense?
But I don't understand because you said if it was horizontal, then you take the reciprocal, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. For 7 and 8, you have written that, right? Good job. You rock. I didn't see the 7 and 8. Oh, wow. You're all good, ma. Six is, yeah. So here, guys, this is my parent graph. So what would happen to the first graph? I will go one by one again. This is so important that I am telling you again. Here, y equal to 2x square means what happens, you know. Every y value gets multiplied by 2. So it becomes steeper. So it is a vertical stretch by 2. It becomes steeper. So it becomes thinner. Here what happens in the second graph? Second graph is like vertical. Let's see. When you put down the graph for this one, right? Half x square. So all your y values get multiplied by half. That means what? If it is 1, then it would become half. It was 2, it was 4, it becomes 2. So it becomes fatter. So that is a vertical compression by half. Think about it. Vertical compression means you are pushing up and pushing down. That is vertical compression, right? So the graph will go fat, 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 fat. Vertical stretch means you are holding the bottom of the U, pulling it down. Then it is a vertical stretch. That's the blue graph. Any questions? Now, what is this? Anybody, please volunteer, guys. What do you think this is, Arush? Y equal to 2x the whole square. What is that?
I think. I actually don't know if it. Miss Priya?
Yes, go ahead.
I don't know.
Okay, so can you draw the graph and try? Who can describe this? 2 is inside the bracket, means it's horizontal.
Is it horizontal compression by half?
Horizontal compression by half. Good job. You have to take the reciprocal and it's a horizontal. If you take the reciprocal, it is half. So it's a vertical compression by half. Jay, can you explain this?
It's a horizontal stretch.
Yeah, so you take the reciprocal, the factor is 2, horizontal stretch by 2. Make sense? Great. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Now, this also I remember discussing with you guys, but if I give you this, would you be able to convert it to standard form and tell me? This is why. Convert it to standard form and send the equation to me. Convert it to standard form, send the equation to me.
Auntie, I typed the question in the chat really quickly.
You can shout out, Harshit. What is that you're asking?
Minus 2a by b, right?
For what, Amma?
To convert.
Minus 2b by a. See. No. Wait, Harshit. See, you're going to convert it to standard form means you're just going to multiply.
Oh, okay. I got it. I was thinking about the other way around.
Avyukt, Nidhi, good job. All of you got it, guys. Vikyat, good job. Kavin, good job. Samanvi, I'm waiting for your answer on this. Lakshmita, Nidhi, did you get it, ma? Jay, did you get it?
Wait, Mr. Could you re-explain this? I kind of forgotten how to convert.
You want me to explain that?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like 4x squared plus I'm going to a minus b the whole square, right? So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Make sense? A plus b the whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. You should never forget it. So this is written as 36 minus 12x plus 3. Now 4x square plus 144 minus 48x plus 3. This gets added 4x square minus 48x plus 147. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I go to the next problem? Let's see this one. How about this, guys? X minus 7 the whole square plus 2. This is a tricky one. X minus 7 the... Please, guys, I really want everybody to say.
Miss Priya, it's not letting me send my answers in chat.
Are you from an iPad?
No.
Okay. Hey guys, I wanted to share with you. Today is the Ivy Day. You know, Ivy colleges release their results today. You all know that?
No.
If you, your brothers or your brothers' friends or your friends, anybody who has who's a senior, right? They get their results today. They get all the Ivy results today at 7 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. they release their results. All the 8 colleges release their results today.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
can you check?
Yes. Oh, 49. Mm-hmm. 49, 150. See, is the last coefficient correct? See, that's
No.
why I gave you this problem. Vikya, the last one seems incorrect, right? Or correct, wait.
Wait, check it now.
Hey, yours is correct, I think, Harshit. Not really.
No, I forgot to do something. Oh, I think I fixed it now.
Yeah, no, I think you got it incorrect. Not really, Nidhi. See, that's why I picked up this problem. Maybe you're all right. I am wrong, maybe. Yeah, I am wrong, maybe. Let's see. Let's see, I didn't do it. Let's see, minus 3x square plus 49 minus 14x plus 2. Minus 3x square minus 7 to 4, 3, 12, then 14. And then plus plus 2. You are all correct, guys. Some of you got it correct. Minus 145. But this is not in standard form. You have to order it properly. Minus 3x square plus 42x minus 145. Make sense? Avyukt, you got it right, Amma. If I had said it incorrect, sorry. Harshat.
Miss Priya.
Harshat. Where did you go wrong, Harshat?
I forgot to add the plus 2.
Okay, but your 42x is missing, right?
No.
No?
Minus 3x squared plus 42x minus 145.
Harshad, you have given me 4x square plus 147. That's all I'm seeing in your answer.
4x squared what?
Plus 147 is what I'm seeing in your answer.
Wait.
Can you please check?
No, I can, what? 4x squared?
4x square plus 147 is what? Oh, you know what?
I left and joined the meeting room.
I know. So there are two Harshads, but the other Harshad has not given me any answer.
Yes, I have. Want me to send again?
Oh, yes. Harshad. There are 3 Harshads. Oh my goodness. Okay. I see the problem. Jay, did you get it? Jay, did you understand where is the mistake?
Yeah.
I don't see 3 Harshads.
Yeah, minus 145. 3 Harshat, I can see, right? Whoever logs off, I can see. Nidhi, correct, ma. Kavin, did you get it? Can I move on?
Yeah, I did. I got it.
Okay. Okay, let's see. How about this? Okay. Suppose if I give you, okay, for a parabola, the vertex form, you know the standard form of a quadratic function is ax square plus bx plus c equal to f of x or y. Vertex form of a parabola is given as f of x equal to x minus h the whole square plus k. Any questions, guys? Any questions still here? Okay, now how do you find, if you're given a standard form, how do you find the vertex? How do you find the vertex?
Minus 2a by b.
Good. So, okay, minus 2b by a, minus 2b by a. Okay, don't forget that, okay? Okay, that is the x-coordinate of the vertex. Yes, Avyukt, go ahead.
Two things. Isn't it minus b by 2a?
Yeah, see, okay, I'm a little gone. Minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a. After that?
And I thought there'd be a x minus h. Like,
I want the y-coordinate of the vertex. How will you find the y-coordinate of the vertex?
no, I'm not. I'm talking about the vertex form.
Let's go to the vertex form a little later. I just want to know from the
Oh,
standard
okay.
form, how do you find the, you corrected me, that's correct. Minus b by 2a is correct, Amma. But what is the y-coordinate of the vertex?
We plug it in and then find
Yep,
it.
you plug in the x value as minus b by 2a and then find out the y-coordinate. Make sense? Okay, now this is easy. You know the x-coordinate of the vertex, y-coordinate of the vertex. What is the axis of symmetry? Let's see. For a u, what is the axis of symmetry? For a u, what is the axis of symmetry?
Y equals 0.
Yeah, axis of symmetry is the left and the right should be the same, right? That line is the axis of symmetry. X will be equal to 0, correct? X will be equal to 0 is your axis of symmetry. So here, see, vertex is also on that. You see, whatever is your x value of the vertex is your axis of symmetry. Did you guys understand that? Suppose, let's say my parabola is like this. Okay, my parabola is like this. Now, what is the vertex x coordinate? Is 2, 0, correct? 2, 0 is the vertex. What is the axis of symmetry? X equal to 2. Got it? Make sense? Okay, now let's see. So let's come back to our vertex formula. Okay, vertex format of quadratic equation. Y equal to x minus h the whole square plus k. Now, whenever I gave you an equation in this format, you are let me put down as a times, because this is important. The multiplier is always important. I'll take into account. Okay, vertex format to the standard format is so easy. You just used a minus b the whole square formula, then you multiplied, you got the standard format. Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Right? You are able to use that. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of things. You're going to write out the quadratic function equation in standard form. Okay. What we have done now is, you know how to convert from vertex to standard form. What you don't know is, you don't know this piece. We will study. Okay. I will go over this with you, but you will have to remember till algebra 2. In algebra 2 class, you cannot come and say, hey auntie, I forgot. That is what I see some years with kids. So right off the bat, I tell you, please don't forget this and come back and say, in geometry, auntie, I don't remember. No. In my class, if you're there, you will have to remember, and I will go over that with you in detail, because it is so useful in geometry, circles. Okay, so let's go over, let's first find out equations and then we'll go. Now, okay, how about this? I have a table, okay, minus 6, minus 4, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0. Then you have 9, 1, 0, 1, 9. Okay, in this, from this table, can you go ahead and tell me, would you be able to identify what is the vertex? Would you be able to go ahead and identify what is the vertex? What will be the vertex? What is the vertex? See through the points and think about the...
-3, 0.
Yeah, this is your vertex. Good job. This is your vertex. Very nice. So would you be able to write it in this format? Meaning, let's go to the vertex format. Can I substitute this as -3? Can I substitute this as 0? Can I do that? When I do that, what happens? Y will be equal to 8 times x plus 3 the whole square plus 0. Correct, guys? But still I have not, I cannot write my equation until I get my A. How do I get my A? How will I get my A? So you know what? We have
Then some other number.
yeah, so many xy points you have. 0, 9 is easy to substitute. I'll substitute 0 and a 9. When I substitute 9 is equal to 8 times 9. A will be equal to 1. Now can I rewrite the equation? Y will be equal to 1 time x plus 3 the whole square. That's it. That's the equation for this table. Does it make sense? Avyuk, did it make sense?
Yeah.
So given a table of x and y values, you should be able to write the equation in vertex format. Converting from vertex to standard is so easy, you already know. You got it? Samanvi, are you able to follow, ma? Samanvi, are you able to follow?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'm going to give you this. I'm going to give you a graph. I like giving you a graph. Okay. This is 0, 25. This is 1, 9. Please write, this is a part of the parabola. Okay. This is a part of the parabola. Okay. Now I'm throwing a paintbrush from this point. I'm throwing a paintbrush from this point. So what does that mean? That means it's the vertex. Okay. So you're going to write the equation in standard format. So you're going to write the equation in standard format.
Oh yeah, you wrote the standard format wrong down there. I mean vertex format.
A times. Did I leave A?
Yeah.
I know. Thank you, ma.
Wait, we have to write it in standard?
Yeah, you have to write it in standard form.
Okay.
It's okay. Even if you give it in vertex format, I'm happy thinking that you know how to convert from vertex to standard form. I don't want to, see, you already know that. I don't want to take the time now. Just write it in vertex form. As long as you write it in vertex form, I'm happy. I'll move on. Okay. If possible, I want to go ahead and show you how to convert the other form. Okay. That will take time, guys. Any subjects in geometry? Did you take the test, Avyuk?
I'm in the middle of doing it.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
can you check?
1 minute, ma. Kavin, you cannot have that A in there. You see what I mean, Kavin? You need to find out A. That is the intermediate step. How do you find out A? You plug in XY values, right? But you already remember this. You already used that 0, 25 as vertex. You already used the 0, 25 as vertex.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it now.
You got it? So you need to use the other point.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
See, once you do it by yourself, you'll remember. Okay, Jay, where are your x and y values? An equation should have y and x values, remember?
Yeah.
So the only mistake in yours is, let me see, a value is correct. The only mistake is you cannot write the 9 there. You see what I mean? You already substituted, found out a, correct?
Oh, yeah.
So you will just write it out as y equal to minus 16 x minus 0 the whole square plus 25. Make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense, Jay, really?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. So y will be equal to a is minus 16 x minus 0. I can write it out as x square plus 25. Make sense, guys? Yep.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, please go ahead.
Isn't 0 squared 1?
No, why? No. Amma,
Isn't
0 square is 0, right? Why do you have this question? No,
Because
tell me, Harshad, what is your question? Any question, even if it is a very absurd question, it's okay to bring it up.
that was 0 factorial. I'm sorry, I just got confused.
Yeah, 0 factorial is 1, correct. Can I move on? Nidhi, did you get it?
Yes, Miss Priya.
Akshita, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Where are you not getting it? If you say kind of, I'll stop you. Where are you not getting it?
When you're finding like the a value.
Okay, you didn't get that? Okay, I'll go over. See, first you're using the vertex. You're going to plug that in here. 0, 25. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
X minus 25. What I am doing, I'm a little off today. So, x minus 0, the whole squared, plus 25. Make sense? Now, you have another x and y value, right? Plug that in here. Put 1 here, put 9 here, find out a. You got it? Akshita, 9 will be equal to a times 1 plus 25, correct? Did you understand, ma?
Yeah.
Then this a I have found out, but you need to write your equation. Plug that back in. You write x as x, y as y, h you know, k you know, plug that in and say the answer. You got it?
Yeah.
Now you're clear? No, kind of. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is good. This part is good, but I really want you... okay, anyway, I'm going to move on and show you how. Okay, we will do word problems. Maybe one of you please remain me next week. We want to do word problems in quadratic functions a lot, in such a way you are able to capture all the PSAT problems. Okay, that we'll do next week. Okay, for this week I really want to do the other way. Okay, that I don't think your book covers it immediately, but I want to do it right away. Okay, let's see. What you don't know is convert the standard form to the vertex form. That is the hard part. Okay, first I am going to take an easy one. 5. I want to convert a standard form, easy standard form. Let's see. Hold on, guys. I want to convert an easy standard form to a text form. Yeah, these are hard ones. Easy standard form, easy standard. Everything is hard. Yeah, let's see this one. How would this? I have 4x square minus 48x plus 147. Guys, this is a little hard. Please listen. Standard to vertex form I'm going to show you. Okay. This one is a little hard. Okay. First I need you to understand. Suppose if I give you x square plus, suppose if I give you x square plus 2x. Can you make this into a square term? What is a square term? 2 square 4 is a square term. 5 square 25 is a square term. This is a square, this is a square. Like that, if I want to make it into a square term, x plus 2 the whole square is a square term. X minus 2 the whole square is a square term. X plus 4 is a square term, 4 the whole square. X minus 4 the whole square is a square term. Now can you tell me what you will add or subtract to make this into a square term? I have x square plus 2x. How can I make it into a square term? What will I add and subtract to make it a square? Guys, x square plus 2x is there. Any thoughts? Okay, I'll tell you one easy way. Take this as ax square plus bx. Okay, take this as ax square plus bx. Okay, in this case, you will apply b by 2a the whole square. You are going to add and subtract. b by 2a the whole square. You are going to add and subtract. What does that mean? b is 2, 2a is 1. 2a is 1, right? 2 by 1 the whole square is, you will add and subtract 4. That way, what is this, guys? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square, b by 2a the whole square. Okay, so one second, guys. What is b by 2a the whole square here? What is b by 2 times a the whole square? What is it? 1 square plus 1 and minus 1 you are going to do. Make sense, guys? So now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write it out as a plus b the whole square. These three, when I regroup, it will become a plus b the whole square minus 1. What is a and b? A is x, b is 1. So a plus 1 the whole square minus 1. Did you guys get it?
Miss Priya, I can't see what you're writing.
Writing, okay. I'm resharing. What I'm saying is, I start with x square plus, let's say I have 4x. How do I convert this into a square term? How do I make this into a square? You know, this is a plus b the whole square is written as a plus b the whole square. You should have a square plus 2ab plus b square. You got it? A minus b the whole square, you will have it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. You got it?
Yeah.
Now you have x square plus 4x. Can you make this into this or this? For that, what I need to do, compare this in this format. There is a plus, right? So it should be this, right? But when you think about it, b by 2a, what is that b by 2a? b by 2 times 1. What is that? 2 square, right? 2 square is b by 2a, the whole square. That is what you need to add and subtract. b by 2a. Remember the vertex you used to find, right? That square you need to add and subtract. So you will add and subtract 4. Because it's like adding a 0, right? Now you regroup this. When you regroup...
minus b by 2a though?
Ma, you're squaring it, right, ma?
Oh.
So it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So b by 2a means here 2 square. So now this one, right, is of the format, you see a square plus b square. What is the square then? So I can write it out as x plus, this is 2 square, 2 the whole square. You got it? And this one I should not forget. Guys,
Okay.
this is difficult. This is difficult to start with. That's why I'm saying we'll get an intro for sure. Okay, how about this? X square plus 6x. What I want to add and subtract? What I want to add and subtract? What is b by 2a? 3. But then the square I need to add and subtract. What will I add and subtract?
9.
9 and minus 9. Okay. Now you regroup this. What will come? What square is that? Think,
X
see this
squared
in
X plus
plus 3e the whole square minus
Good
9.
job, guys. You all got it? Do you see the standard form becoming vertex form? This is called completing squares. The process is called your completing squares. You got it? This process of making this into a square term, right? That is called completing squares. It's a separate way of solving your quadratic equations. Samanvi, are you following, ma?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, now, I don't want to give you, okay, maybe I will do this. Ma, this is a complicated one, okay? I give you this. See, please, when you complete square, make sure your x square coefficient is 1. To make your x square coefficient 1, to make your x square coefficient 1, I would always want to make my x square coefficient 1. Okay, I cannot proceed to complete squares with this. Okay, I will make a mistake. So, you know, I'll take 2 common. That will become x square plus 10x plus 53 by 2. Any questions still here? Now, you're going to answer my question. How to convert this into a square term? How to convert that into a square term? Who can tell me? 2 is always there, don't forget. How to convert that into a square term? What will I add and subtract? B by 2a.
25.
What will I?
25.
Yeah, B is 10. A is 1. 2 times 1. So 5. But then the square of that you need to add and subtract. So what happens? X square plus 10x plus 25 minus 25. Don't forget that. Okay. And then you copy this. Plus 53 by 2. Okay. Now this becomes a square. What happens to that? That becomes a square, x plus 5 the whole square. Make sense? Here, what happens? Minus 50 plus 53 by 2. I am taking LCM. I am making the denominator 2. You got it? Any questions, guys, till now? This is complicated. I won't give you homework on this, okay? Next week we will redo it and then only get you homework, okay? So this would become 2. Bring the 2 inside. X plus 5 the whole square minus or plus 3. You got it? So see, this is of the format. What format? A times x minus h the whole square plus k. This is a little complicated. Whatever I solved is a little complicated. Okay, where the coefficient of x square was not 1. Otherwise, it's very easy. If it is 1, it's very easy. You always add and subtract b by 2a the whole square. And then regroup this to make it into a square term based on the plus or minus of this. That will determine whether this is plus or minus. After that, don't forget to account for any other extras. When you do that, you will automatically get into this format. But you know what? I'm not mean to give you homework on this. This one I will redo it again because completing squares is one of the hardest topics in quadratics. So we will redo this next time and then I'll assign homework on that. Any questions? So for this week, what will be your homework? You are going to do only transformate the rest of the stuff, meaning you will do some problems. What problems? I'll give you homework, guys. So whatever we have done, those few word problems from the table, you have to write the quadratic equation. So that alone you'll complete and come till page number 815. You'll complete and come. That's all. Till page number 815 you'll complete and come. We will not discuss completing squares. We will not have homework on that. Any questions? Okay. Next week we'll continue this along with word problems. I'll stop here, guys. If you have any questions, stay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Miss
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.